The 130 model is one of the most popular straight stairlifts in the world due to its simplicity, low maintenance and high reliability. Here are its features. Light pressure on the arm controls will gently move the stairlift along the stairs. Controls are placed on both arms on this model. The stairlift offers a smooth ride thanks to its quiet and smooth operation, comfortable upholstery and soft stop and start function. Once the stairlift reaches the top of the stairs, the chair can be rotated 90 degrees to face the landing. Simply push one of the levers down, which are located on both sides of the stairlift. Once swiveled, the chair locks in place. Both arms, footplate and seat can be folded upwards to create space when the stairlift is not required. The depth measures at 12 inches, allowing others to use the stairs. Wireless remote controls allow you to send the stairlift up and down the stairs when required. This can be handy if more than one person uses the stairlift. The slimline track is tailor-made to fit your stairs perfectly. It neatly attaches to the treads, meaning there is no unsightly structural work. The key lock enables you to deactivate and lock the stairlift when required. The safety belt offers extra security whilst travelling along the stairs. It neatly retracts after use. The display screen provides information on the stairlift's performance. Safety sensors are located around the stairlift, including the footplate and the sides of the carriage. If one of the safety edges is activated, the stairlift will instantly stop and the obstruction can be cleared. Another additional safety feature is that if the arms are upwards, the stairlift won't set off. Also, for added safety, the stairlift runs on a rack and pinion system with limit sensors and electronic braking systems. The stairlift connects to charging points which recharge the battery packs automatically after every trip. The benefit of this is that it will continue to work if a power cut occurs. The stairlift is simply plugged into standard UK plug socket. The weight capacity on this model is 20 stone, but if required, it can be upgraded to 25 stone. The arm width is also adjustable.